7 businesses that make money while you sleep. What if you could wake up tomorrow morning and discover that your business made money while you were asleep? No late night phone calls, no customers waiting at a counter, and no need to trade every hour of your day for money. It sounds like passive income, but here's the truth. No serious business is completely passive from day one. You must first invest time, effort, skills, or capital. But once the right systems are running, these 7 businesses can continue generating revenue even when you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your family. Let's start with number 7. 7. Print on demand business. Print on demand allows you to sell customized t-shirts, mugs, posters, hoodies, and other products without keeping inventory. You create a design and upload it to an online store. When someone places an order, a third-party company prints the product, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. You earn the difference between the selling price and the production cost. The biggest advantage is automation. Your store can accept orders 24 hours a day, even while you sleep. However, uploading random designs usually doesn't work. You need to target a specific audience, such as nurses, teachers, dog owners, gym lovers, or people interested in a particular hobby. A clear niche and original designs can turn a simple online store into a scalable digital business. 6. Digital products. Digital products are among the best assets you can sell online because they can be created once and sold repeatedly. Examples include ebooks, budget spreadsheets, business templates, meal planners, resume templates, stock photos, printable calendars, social media designs. After the product is uploaded, customers can pay and download it automatically. There's no physical inventory, packaging, or shipping. Imagine spending 1 week creating a useful budgeting template. If that template solves a real problem, it could potentially sell hundreds or thousands of times. Your main responsibilities are improving the product, attracting visitors, and helping customers when necessary. The product performs the delivery work for you. 5. Affiliate marketing website. Affiliate marketing means recommending another company's product and earning a commission when someone purchases through your special link. For example, you could build a website about home fitness equipment, software tools, cameras, kitchen appliances, or personal finance books. You publish helpful comparisons, reviews, and buying guides. People discover your content through search engines, click your affiliate links, and purchase the recommended products. A useful article can keep attracting visitors and generating commissions long after it has been published. But trust is essential. Don't recommend every product just because it offers a commission. Provide honest information and clearly disclose your affiliate relationships. The goal is to help the audience make a better decision, not pressure them into buying something. 4. Online courses. If you possess a valuable skill, you can package your knowledge into an online course. You could teach graphic design, coding, photography, cooking, language learning, video editing, marketing, or almost any practical skill. You record the lessons once, organize them into a clear program, and upload them to an online learning platform or your own website. Students can then purchase and access the course automatically. The difficult part is creating a course that delivers a genuine result. People don't pay simply for information, they pay for transformation. A strong course should take students from a specific problem to a clear outcome. You may still need to answer questions and update lessons, but you won't have to teach every student individually. 3. YouTube content business. A YouTube channel can become a digital library of income-producing content. A video you publish today could continue receiving views for months or even years. Those views can potentially generate money through advertising, affiliate links, sponsorships, memberships, or your own products. You don't necessarily need millions of subscribers. A smaller channel targeting a valuable audience can sometimes earn more than a large entertainment channel. The secret is creating evergreen content, videos that remain useful over time. Examples include tutorials, product comparisons, financial education, business lessons, and problem-solving videos. YouTube is not passive at the beginning. Researching, scripting, recording, and editing require consistent work. But as your video library grows, Your older content can continue working while you create something new or while you sleep. 2. Rental businesses. You don't always have to sell products. Sometimes you can buy an asset once and rent it repeatedly. Common examples include property or storage space, cameras and photography equipment, construction tools, party equipment, vending machines, vehicles, parking spaces. The right rental asset can produce recurring income without requiring you to manufacture a new product for every customer. Technology can automate bookings, payments, contracts, and customer notifications. However, rental businesses still have expenses. You must consider maintenance, insurance, damage, vacancies, and depreciation. The smartest approach is to research local demand before purchasing anything. An asset only produces income when people actually want to rent it. 1. Software as a service. Software as a service, or SaaS, is one of the most powerful recurring revenue business models. Customers pay monthly or annually to use a software tool that solves a specific problem. The software could manage appointments, invoices, inventory, social media posts, customer records, property bookings, or employee schedules. Once the product is working, customers can register, make payments, and use the service at any time of day. You don't need to compete directly with enormous technology companies. A small tool designed for one specific industry can become highly valuable. For example, instead of building software for every business, you could create a simple scheduling tool specifically for barbers, cleaning companies, or personal trainers. Building the software requires technical skills, money, or a capable partner. It also needs customer support and regular maintenance. But the subscription model can generate predictable and scalable recurring revenue. The reality of passive income. All 7 businesses share one important principle. They use assets and systems to separate income from working hours. The asset could be a video, digital product, online course, website, rental item, design, or software application. But don't fall for the idea that passive income means earning money without doing anything. First, you build the asset. Then you create the system. Finally, you improve and maintain it. The goal isn't to avoid work completely. The goal is to do work once that can continue producing value many times. Outro. You don't need to start all 7 businesses. Choose one that matches your skills, budget, and available time. Start small, validate the demand, and reinvest the profit into better systems. Over time, one well-built income-producing asset can give you something more valuable than money, greater control over your time. Which of these 7 businesses would you start first? Tell us in the comments. And subscribe to the Billionaire Files for smarter lessons about business, money, and building real wealth.